you want me to rescue you?
Oh. Yep. Straighten up. Oh, they don't fall off it.
Straighten up. Go straight.
Yep, straighten up.
She's up too high.
Oh, nice.
Very nice, Vicky. Can't say I had any trouble there, Vicky. Are you taking the chicken track? That's not nice.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, keep on that line. Say something about the sexist. That's good line for the extra line, mate. Is that the B? No, it's still on, but it's not going to drive up. We just want to...
Keep going.
Something like that. Now hard this way. Hard this way. Again, though. Well, the back end starts. What's that camera?
Look at that.
Alright.
Whoa.
Bottoms now.
That's
Oh,
amazing.
no, there's a bit more.
Hang on, Benny.
Now turn. Wait there.
Tuck the mirror in.
Now turn hard to me.
Don't worry about it. Just leave it. If it goes in, it goes in.
Turn
It'll
it
turn
hard,
it in on
hard
its
to
own.
me now.
Hard right.
That's it.
This is where it'll get beached maybe.
Oh. Keep pushing that camera.
God, it's so
Turn it to me.
different.
Keep turning to me.
Yeah, he'll get that.
Yeah, nice.
Wow, nice. I'm excited already. I think it's maybe just chewed out a little bit, but it looks like it'll just, I think you only have to come forward just a tiny. Slow. There it is. Got it. Very nice. Smooth. So we're down here to see what trouble we can get in the Savo. There's Phil's, some of Phil's cars that he's got here. Okay, so tomorrow I'm driving this mad ass thing. It's just nuts. It's got a locked front diff. It just, so if you run off the side of the track because you're going too fast, you actually got to go faster next time, and it all works. Doesn't it, Phil?
It does, mate. So you take it pretty far down.
Oh, what a riot this will be. Now, Michael, I'm at the track and I have found your track car. I mean, look at that shit. Just, Michael, it's you. Look, it's just perfect.
Slide down
And there's what got bent.
I did it 12 years ago. I stopped racing when I was fucking 16.
That's good. Nice. Straight in. Beautiful. Ah, I'm getting all tingly already. Nice. See? Got it? Careful, that's good, good, good. Good, perfect. Yeah, that hole's been filled in a bit. Nice. Go, go, go. Nice. Mr. Smooth versus Step. Here it goes. Come on, nail this. Do it, do it. Go, go, go. Is it gonna happen? Oh, how good's this guy? Woo! Come on, Vicky. Go, 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 go.